Another free airdrop opportunity, this time from the T protocol. So the T protocol testnet went live 3 days ago. So if you are watching this, you are super early for this upcoming airdrop. This project raised around $10 million in funding, and right now you can start earning points by doing different quests and tasks and challenges. So here is an easy tutorial on how you can start farming this airdrop and earning your points. Hey guys, so another free airdrop opportunity, this time from the testnet T protocol, and the website is app.t.xyz, and this is where you basically earn points. You can see my rank is 28,000 from 123,000 total people. And first of all, when you sign up, you get 100 points. Tell us about yourself, 500 points. Connect to GitHub, create a GitHub account and just connect it, and you will get 275 points. Add your email address, and right now you can get a boost because you will be early if you do it right now. Here you can see the challenges and the quests are going for around 11 days. So if you do this 10 days after watching this video, you are still early because you are doing the first tasks that are available. And how can you do these tasks is really simple. You just go here. First of all, you go to settings. Here you will connect your Discord, add your email, because that's one of the tasks where you will get points. So you basically edit account email and just add your email. Easy. Now this is the second task where you basically choose one of these descriptions that describe you the most. I live and breathe coins, and are you a developer? Yes. I'm actually not a developer, but doesn't matter. And that's basically it. I think the max you can get right now is 1,000 points if you're not a developer, because as you can see here, you can get 25,000 points, which is a lot of points if you are an actual developer. And if you develop an app on this T protocol and find a way to break into the top 10 T rank with your project, like top 10%, you will get 25,000 points. So if you are a developer and you are good with a GitHub and just programming different apps on blockchain or different networks, this is your opportunity. If you're not developer and you are just a normal person like me, the max you can get right now is 1,000 points. But don't worry about that. As you can see here, basically this testnet went live February 21st, so like 3 days ago, and it will end on May 15. And here it says, if you're not a developer, no problem, there will be a challenges and quests for non-devs and more technical ones for devs. So if you're not a developer, you can still do tasks and earn your points, which is really easy and doesn't take much time. And I think that's the most important part. If you are doing multiple airdrops and just farming, you don't want to spend a lot of time, and this is that opportunity. And one more thing, I will post a link in my bio with this airdrop tracker. This is quite insane, and here you can see who made this tracker. The Twitter account, Cruise Control 660. This is just a bonus for the people that are watching my videos till the end. So, for example, here are a project names and tiers. The tiers are subjective. Maybe you don't think it's an S tier, maybe you think it's lower, but here you can see the airdrop status if the project has a confirmed token or tokenless, or is it a point system without any talks about dropping token. you can see the funding, which is quite big. For example, the Monad network got $19 million in funding. If you want to find a big airdrops, you want to see the funding and the valuation. For some, you can see the valuation, so that's quite good. And here you can see the stage, or either it's on testnet or already on mainnet, and what type, layer 1, layer 2. But I will be sharing more under the radar projects that doesn't have many people like farming them, so you can get bigger airdrops. For example, different NFT gaming project airdrops. So if you want to see some alpha and be early on these ones, press subscribe, press that notifications button so you get the notification as soon as I upload. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, or you have some recommendations about some airdrops or some questions. Just let me know, and thanks for watching.